Good morning, sir. Thank you for having me. Recently received my of Science in Marine Engineering and actively looking for work opportunities in the maritime industry. I am particularly interested in joining your precious organization as an engine cadet. Throughout my academic career, I have developed a strong foundation in marine operations, teamwork, and collaboration. Additionally, I am proficient in using MS Word and Google Drive, which I believe are essential tools for maintaining efficient communication and organization within a team. Swire Shipping has always stood out to me due to its stellar reputation in the maritime sector. The company's commitment to excellence, innovation, gives me confidence in applying here. Knowing that I will have the opportunity to work with some of the best professionals in the industry. I am eager to contribute my skills and learn from the experienced team at Swire Shipping. I am enthusiastically about the possibility of joining your company and hopeful that this interview will take a step forward to a successful career with Swire Shipping. Thank you and for considering my application. You should hire me because I bring a solid foundation in marine engineering combined with a practical experience in marine operation or marine machine operation. I have developed a strong teamwork and collaborational skills, which are essential for working effectively in the dynamic environment of a ship's engine room. Additionally, I am proficient in using MS Office and Google Drive, which will help in maintaining organized and efficient communication and documentation. Sware Shipping is also known for its commitment to excellence, and I am confident that my educational background and skills align with the high standards of your company upholds. I am eager to learn and grow with your company or with your organization, and I am committed to contributing to the team with my dedication, hard work, and passion for the maritime industry. Furthermore, my proactive approach to seeking opportunities and my genuine interest in your company's stellar reputation demonstrate my enthusiasm for this role. I believe that my technical skills, combined with my drive to excel and my eagerness to be a part of your esteemed team, make me a strong candidate for the engine cadet position.